Go.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Ozzy from Ozzy's Plumbing. We're out here somewhere in Temecula with a clogged main line. So previous plumbers came out here, couldn't do shit. They're not pros, they're not real plumbers. They're fake wannabe plumbers. I pulled the toilet, as you can see. So now I'm gonna show you guys what the problem is with not the main line but the closet flange. Look at this. This is like giving birth. See these people? Oh yeah. This is the problem, people. Roots in your closet flange and your closet bed. This is your shit, but it's my bread and butter. Have a good evening, people.